All right, guys, so welcome back. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. I am down in Florida and it is beautiful. Middle of winter, 80 plus degrees. So what I'm going to be doing is heading out to the drag strip. We brought the little lady's car and my car, and we're going to be hopping in the Monte Carlo. But before I jump in the car and we head out to the drag strip, there's something that I want to show you guys. I went to my Dodge dealer, local Dodge dealer, and they have power packages where if you want, you know, a turbo system, a supercharger, a nitrous system, they will be able to install it, everything, and it's fully backed up by the Dodge dealerships. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. They basically said that regardless of what you have, whether it's a Hellcat, 392, 5.7, that you would be able to actually get these packages, and then they would actually warranty it. So, you know, if you choose any one of these, you get it done, and then you could have it serviced, and they would, you know, honor that service. So the first package is actually a pretty straightforward deal. You know, you get an intake and a custom dyno tune. Not that big of a deal. I like this package right here. So it's a supercharger, some kind of a turbo, so a forced air system, nitrous, cold air intake. I'm assuming that it would be a 180 T-stat, long tube headers, and a custom dyno tune. And if you have a 5.7, I would imagine that would put you in the neighborhood of about 550 wheel horsepower. So, you know, a little over 600 crank horsepower, which is pretty nice. Package 3 seems to be a shorter version than package 2. I was under the impression it would be, you know, this would be net you, you know, what, 30 horsepower, and it would gradually go up. But package 3, you get the long tube headers, custom dyno tune. Getting a phone call, hang on guys. Package 3 here, supercharger, very similar to what you were looking at with package 2. You get the supercharger or turbo or some kind of a nitrous setup, long tube headers, custom tune. So I would imagine the gains are going to be similar, but with package 2 you get the T-stat there and intake. So package 4 is like the ballers. I think you know, supercharger, turbo, fully custom built engine, which means obviously built pistons, rods, everything like what I have. Fully custom built engine, long tube headers, custom built fuel system. So at this power level, you're gonna need the upgraded fueling system anyway. Full custom stainless steel exhaust. So I would imagine, you know, this is the package that you know, the sky's the limit kind of a deal. Now what's interesting is I would have to, they don't really have any prices on this. So I know there's a handful of you guys out there that really want to add power, whether you have a V6, a 5.7, a 392, or even a Hellcat, they'll be able to accommodate you. Now I really wanted to show most of the 5.7 and the V6 guys that there is an option out there. I know with the new direct connection, it's really only, you know, for the 392 and the Hellcat owners. So just letting you guys know that if you are in the New York area, this is something that's a really cool option. So with that being said, guys, today we're going to be hanging out at the drag strip. Got quite a few nice cars out here, so we're going to see how they stack up. I know there's a Jeep SRT. Ripping around, so we're going to see how it stacks up against a couple Mustangs and you know, some of the other cars that are here. So if you're into Mopar content, definitely subscribe. Does this have a tune on it? Yeah. No, it's just exhaust and intake. Okay. 10.8. 5.0, 13.6. Okay, so take me through it, man.
6.2 liter V8. It's rated at 257 horsepower from factory. Or, I'm sorry, 447 horsepower from factory.
Okay.
With a tune only, it unlocks it to roughly 507.
So it's NA out of factory,
yes,
right? Okay.
Yes, this is not the E55s and E55s, S55s were the supercharged V8s. They were 5.5 liter V8s. This
And
is 6.2 NA.
You actually modified it, so you have like what, an exhaust on here?
Yeah, there's full long tube headers, ceramic coated, decatted.
Okay.
It's only factory mufflers. It's got AFE drop-in filters, Row airbox, and then it's stage 2 tuned by Eurocharge Orlando, and I'm running an AFD.
They had it up on the dyno and tuned it, right? So
it's not dyno tuned. It's
not
a,
dyno
it's
tuned.
a flash
Okay.
tune.
Okay. Did they give you a ballpark of what how much power you're?
So they do everything by crank horsepower. Not
Okay.
full horsepower. When they do those ballparks, it should be in the 600 range.
Okay.
Crank horsepower.
That's a lot for NA, man.
Yeah.
You know, that's really good.
Yeah, and then with the E85, that pushes me a little bit higher.
So at 600 crank horsepower, how much does this thing weigh? Do you know?
3,800 pounds.
So yeah, you should put up some decent times.
We'll see.
$12,100 for the AMG.